Hello, I'm Bill Peterson, Minnesota estate planning attorney. Today I'd like to talk to you about protecting the estate through several marriages. Multiple marriages frequently bring complexity to estate planning. Well, perhaps some people need a few tries to find true love. Just one slip up on a will can cost the heirs of a past marriage the entire estate. Let's take Tony, for example. Tony's first marriage lasted barely a year. His second marriage lasted for 10 years, and he had 2 great kids to show for it. Now that Tony is preparing to marry his third wife, Christina, he wants to know how to continue to provide for his kids. Specifically, he wants to include them in his will, and here we're talking about the kids from his second marriage. But, of course, he's not interested in providing anything for his divorced second wife. What can Tony do to ensure that his children are the beneficiaries? Also, what can Tony do if he were to have a child with his third wife, Christina? In other words, how does Tony protect his estate over several marriages? A Minnesota estate plan can leave certain accounts or possessions or real estate to particular persons. However, these may require the approval of Christina if she's going to give up what the probate law would otherwise provide to her. Now, Tony and Christina may plan to have a child. Now, this can be a blessing for the family, but it also can be a source of friction. Christina may feel very differently about her stepchildren, that is, Tony's children from his second marriage. She may feel very differently about them receiving an inheritance after her own child is born. Tony and Christina can sign a trust that administers their estates together and provides for their children, both of Tony's previous marriage and also the marriage between Tony and Christina. Another possibility is signing a transfer on death deed that puts one or more of the children on the title to real estate. And a similar thing can be done with certain bank accounts and other assets. Now, these are possible solutions to the dilemma of how to provide for a surviving spouse as well as children from more than one marriage. Now, the details are very important, which is why you should always consult with a skilled estate planning attorney in order to create your own personalized estate plan. I'm Bill Peterson, Minnesota estate planning attorney. If you're considering a new marriage, it's important to review the estate plan to ensure your legacy. Call me today at 952-921-5818 for a free, no-obligation consultation. Thanks, and have a great day.